Didn't they send me daughters when I asked for sons? Welcome, everyone. Sorry about listening. Well, it's time to do the last row. The last row of the last video. Not yet. First, a word from our sponsors. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Whee! Now, truth be told, I don't know why. Truth be told, I bought this outlet. Probably some of my other videos. I don't know why I bought two of them. The creepy and the kooky, they're all together, kooky. They are the family. Ow. Ooh. E. Ah. Trauma. One thing I want to show you is my brand new Nerf gun. This is a brand new Nerf gun that I bought. You do just cock it. No, put the Nerf bullet in. See? Look, it's like a stick of dynamite. Fire in the hole! Yeah, it's Avengers. Marvel's Avengers. Iron Man. Nerf gun, blaster gun. That'd be pretty cool. Start Marvel video by showing you Marvel products. This video is going to be very special. Give me 5 seconds. I don't know why this video is special. 5 seconds. Okay? Sweet. Alright. And I'll tuck that into my shirt. Why not tuck it into my shirt? Alright, Skippy. Now it's time to do it in Marvel style. Dress up as Deadpool. Well, half Deadpool, not the full suit, just the mask, okay? Let's continue down the road, shall we? Number 19. Number 19. We have to take off this mask. I can't do this mask on. Can't see what I have. Hold on. Oh my god! I am Groot! I am Groot! I am Groot! We are Groot! We got Groot, everyone! I am Groot! I am Groot! I am Groot! This one is, I believe this could be. Yes, gripping on the. Yes! The Star-Lord! I got Star-Lord, everyone! Yep, I got Star-Lord. Yep, that's definitely Star-Lord. Number 21. I have a giant figurine of him up there on my shelf. It's Ultron. Gonna put him there because he's part of the Avengers franchise. Next is Iron Fist. I think his name is Iron Fist. I can't remember. Is his name Iron? Guys, is his name Iron Fist? Can't remember. If you know what his name is. Yeah. We have from the Guardians of the Galaxy, Gamora. Yep, we have Gamora, folks. We have Gamora. Last, certainly not least. Wait, is that good? Hold on. Let me just pull my mask off. Wait. No, I know who this is actually. That is Gamora. This is Gamora. This is Gamora. Because this one is, remember, Hulk Smash. She-Hulk. Hulk's cousin, She-Hulk. Where's my cousin? I want to smash stuff with him. Folks, it's the end of the video, which it would seem. Ba ba na na in our dreams. Last thing we need to do is to do a do 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 a do boo boo. You never see me put it away. The box on the video. Da 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 da, sitting in the sun. Da 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 da, all night long. Sitting in the sun. And that song is a choir of the la la na 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 na. We have Star-Lord, the Avengers, Gamora. I'm Groot. I am 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 Groot. Translation: subscribe, like the like button, hit the like button, and share with everyone. I have been your unboxing host. Stay tuned for my next unboxing video sometime after I'm done shopping for unboxing day. Unboxing, get it. You'll get the joke. You'll get it when it's unboxing day. Till then, grab yourself a nice cold bubbly drink. I'm not sponsored by bubbly water. I wish I was. Probably people who make bubbly sparkling water. Sponsor me. Sponsor me. I want to make the money off of this shit now. Please sponsor me. Sponsor me. Please sponsor me. Please. Peace out, everyone.